Hello friends, today I'll be telling you something about the plate method of how to control your dietary intake in diabetes in such a balanced way that the nutritional requirements are met without creating a situation where big spikes or big surge of glucose is being created from the plate of food you are consuming, because those spikes are absolutely not required in diabetes management, are really harmful for your heart and blood pressure. So the plate method is the simplest way of doing things. Keep in mind that you have to have all the food which you eat as a staple regularly, which you have been eating since decades in your life. There is no such thing as diabetic diet. There is no special diet for diabetics. Plan your food intake, plan your meals and plate in accordance with your own taste, whether you are non-vegetarian or vegetarian, whether you are a North Indian or a South Indian. So keep in mind the very important fact that nothing special has to be chosen. The choices are to be made from your regular food, and this regular food has to be divided in a very scientific way to avoid those spikes which I talked about. So half of the plate should be veggies, as I told you. So you can clearly see I have given you a pictorial representation of two plates here. So you can clearly see one is non-vegetarian plate and the other is a vegetarian plate where chapatis and chickpeas are there as protein and starches. And you can see that half of the plate is full with colorful different variety of vegetable salads. So the different varieties, different colors is very important. Similarly, you can see the non-vegetarian plate, which contains 25% of the starch, 25% of the meat. The meat has to be lean meat. Lean meat means without fat. Of the plate is vegetables. The other important thing you have to keep in mind that some intake of dairy food in the form of paneer, yogurt or buttermilk, and some small bowl serving from the fruit if your caloric requirement permits you. So your daily ration, daily permissible calories, the daily permissible quantities are to be divided in four equal portions, as I told you in my previous 3-minute episode. Four nearly equal portions, four hourly spaced, having all the components from the nature with different colors. So no single color should be predominating the plate.